Hi there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to register for the Social Health Authority. So we don't have much time, so let's get started. Now, the first thing is to visit sha.go.ke, and maybe let me just give you a background information about SHA. So it is ensuring a healthier, more equitable future for all through comprehensive coverage and quality care without financial worry. That is according to what they write on their website. Now, the overview is that SHA facilitates healthcare services from enlisted providers by pooling contributions, ensuring equitable distribution of quality healthcare. The Social Health Authority is established under Section 25 of the Act and is utilized to pool all contributions made under the Act. You can read through this and find more information. Quickly, what are the benefits? The benefits under the Social Health Authority include preventive, promotive, curative, rehabilitative, and palliative health services. These are provided at level 4, 5, and 6 health facilities under the fund. And who qualifies for this? Of course, if you have a national ID, you qualify for this. And for the minors who do not have, they can register under their parent, and that's why they're asking the learners to register for the same. Now, what does SHA cover? The Social Health Authority covers integrated preventive, promotive, curative, rehabilitative, and palliative health services at level 4, 5, and 6 health facilities. This includes emergency services, critical care services beyond the benefits in the Essential Healthcare Benefits Package, treatment and management of chronic illnesses beyond the benefits in the Essential Healthcare Benefits Package of the Social Health Authority. Now, how do we register? Of course, that is why I'm creating this video. So I want to move right away to how we do this. So on their website, I want you to click on register, and here we will be now asked to start our registration by enrolling on SHA. All I want to do is to click on proceed, and then you will choose if you are a Kenyan or not. For this case, it's a Kenyan, and I'm going to put here the ID number for the applicant and the phone number for the applicant, just like that, and then click proceed. And now it is verified. An OTP has been sent, so I'm going to put the OTP right here. It will be sent on the phone number, just like that, then click proceed. It has been verified. Now we have to fill this profile. We have 4 steps ahead of us. First, let's upload the passport photo, which I had taken. I used the student. It is optional anyway, you can put or not put. And so what is your employment status? You will choose, and for this case, it's self-employed. What is your average gross monthly salary? You will choose the range of your salary depending on how you earn, and it goes up to 100,000 and above. For this case, it is between 10,000 and 25,000. Civil status, either you are single, married, divorced, or widowed. For this case, it's single. Are you living with disability? If yes, you click yes, but for this case, it's no, then click next. Now here, step 2, we have to fill. If the person has an alternative number, you'll have to put, although it's not a must. So here we'll just confirm that she currently dwells in Kenya, and we have to fill the details. And when you are filling these details, remember, they want to scan and find what are the facilities, the health facilities that are near the place that you've chosen. So I would advise choose a place near the student, and so that they don't pick a health facility away from the student. We will put here the postal address, 71 5010-7 Shinyalu. And here now we can see there are so many healthcare facilities that are around this very place, which they can pick from. Just click next. The record has been updated successfully. Step 3, we have to go through this information and just verify that we have given the right information by checking this box and clicking submit. The last step, step 4, is to set a pin. And I'll set the pin just like that, and then I'll click on save. Now after that, we have means testing. We have 3 steps to go through. What is the type of house that you dwell in? You'll have to select. I really don't know why they are asking these questions. I found them a little bit irrelevant, but we'll have to go through the whole process. So here's just to confirm that they live in a flat house. How many rooms in the house? So they're asking for the bedrooms. So she told me she has, how many? 3 bedrooms. I really don't know why they're asking this. Do you own this house? Of course, she owns the house. So I had to click on yes. And here state whether house is purchased, inherited, constructed, or gifted. For this case, it's constructed. So I'll have to click on constructed. Building material, they want to know the type of material you used. So for the walls, these are natural walls. So I'll click on natural walls. And here, select the type of natural walls. I really don't know why they're asking this. But anyway, we'll have to select. In fact, they have no walls. What do you mean no walls? So I chose stones with mud. What is the predominant flow? So it's also natural. Is it earth and sound? Is it dung? So I'll click on dung. Anyway, then you'll scroll down. Water. What is the main source of drinking water? Is it piped water, dark well, water from spring, and all that? For this case, she told me it's piped water. And then they're asking you select the type of piped water. So you'll have to choose piped into dwelling, just like that. Then the toilet, they're asking even about the toilet. So is it the one to flush? Is it the pit latrine? Composting toilet. What is composting toilet? So for this case, it was a pit latrine. And then they're asking which type of flush or whatever. I don't know. So it is pit latrine with slab. That is still fine. Now we'll move down to answer these silly questions. Do you share this toilet facility with other households? So I don't know what to put here. But anyway, she told me that I should put there no. So I'll leave it at no. Energy. What is the main source of energy for cooking? Is it firewood? We have electricity. We have charcoal, straw. What is straw? Oh, grass. Liquefied petroleum gas. So I guess you and your gas. Biogas. Anyway, silly question again to be answered. So for this case, I will choose liquefied petroleum. What is the main source of lighting? Do you have electricity? Phone torch? These people are not serious. Household items. Does the household own any of the following? You have tuk-tuk. There's a tuk-tuk, animal, cat, TV, nini. So for this case, I chose radio. Tables, of course, mpaka table iko kwa nyumba. Chairs. Vitanda, now that waliuliza kama tuko na bedroom. Solar panel, mobile phone. Okay, social assistance. Does this household receive a cash transfer or any social assistance? No, just click next. Step 2 is to add education. So here, what is the highest standard form grade by the household head? I asked, and it was, was it secondary? Okay, so I'll click on secondary school. What is the highest standard completed by the household? Of course, still it should read as the first one, which is secondary. Then click next. The last step is to confirm the details. If you are not sure of the details, you'll have to edit them so that you submit the right details. But for my case, I was keen, so I hope they are okay. Declaration, I'll have to declare this by clicking here. And then after clicking the declaration, now I have to come and click on complete, just like that. Now she has successfully registered. Now we can download the license. And let me show you how the license looks like. Here it is. It shows the basic information that we've uploaded. And this shows that the application has been a success. I really do not know why the government is keeping on introducing new things here and there when the learners could be still covered under NHIF. But if SHA will give better services than NHIF, then it will be a good thing. But let me hope this is not a scam like we are used to. You remember the story of Huduma number, and after successful registration, we were told that that thing is unconstitutional. Otherwise, if you've been looking for how to register for Social Health Authority, this is a full guide. And my friends, maybe just a question. I had a website, aeroproductions.co.ke, but because it didn't have much of traction, I decided to at least suspend it for some time. Now, with these services that I'm offering here, do you think that I should revive the Ero Productions website? And if yes, would you be willing to visit the website for theory part of the videos that I do? Maybe you need more explanation. I can do that through a website and offer you these services free of charge. So let me know if this is a good idea. I'll be waiting to hear from you down in the comments below. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button. And you can also share this video to your friends and family so that they can learn on how to apply for Social Health Authority. Above all, you can subscribe to this channel for more videos. But at this moment, I want you to click anywhere on the screen to watch our next video. And I'm pretty sure that I will see you in that video. Peace.